Hi children, hello, welcome to your home school. This is your next session of your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE. We are in triangle chapter exercise 2.5. Okay, in this session we are going to start with your fourth problem. What is your fourth problem? ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, immediately you remember, two sides are equal. But it continues. What it continues? Isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Right isosceles triangle. What type of a triangle this is? Right isosceles triangle. So observe here, this is a right angle. Okay, right isosceles. Then which two sides equal shall I take here? I will take these two sides are equal. That makes isosceles. Right angled at C. So let me mark here A, B, C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to 2AC square is your question. How can we prove this? Let's see here. Given ABC is a right, ABC is a right isosceles triangle, right isosceles triangle, where we have taken here AC is equal to BC. If this is isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal? AC equal to BC. Okay, and it is right angled. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Right angled at C given. Prove that. To prove AB square is equal to 2AC square is your question. Okay, so now we need to prove this one. Given data, okay, to prove and then our proof. How can we start our proof? We know if it is a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem, children? In right triangle ACB, apply Pythagoras statement. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. You can write AC square plus BC square also. If you want, you can write whole square also, children, no problem. So now, AB square, how did I write the statement? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras I have written the statement. Now, what is AC is equal to BC? Right, what we need to prove? We need to prove AC and AB should be there in our proof. So, AC needed means, observe here carefully, the same thing, the question may be changed to 2BC square. So, this point you have to understand and think the question carefully. If they ask AC, how do you change? BC equal to AC, you write here. If they ask you here BC, so at the time what you do? AC please, you write BC, then it will become 2BC square. See, question might be little change, but also you can answer. Okay, understand the concept. Here I should get in my RHS, AC I should get. So I don't want BC. So BC is equal to how much? AC. Substitute that. AC square plus AC square. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. I have substituted. Or BC equal to AC. Now add these two. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square will be 2AC square. This is the proof we need to prove. AB square is equal to 2AC square. Shall we see another question in this? What is that? This is extra question, children, to prove. If I ask you the question AB square is equal to 2BC square. Ma'am, question wrong. Is it question wrong? No, it's not wrong. We need to prove according to this. Same place after this, look here, after this statement. AB square is equal to, I need BC as it is. I don't disturb BC. Then AC. BC square plus AC place, I will substitute BC now. So now what happens? AB square is equal to 2BC square. Proof is ready. See, in your textbook up to here only asked. Suppose your letter change, you can do like this. Fifth problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Again isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal with AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC. Okay. If AB square is equal to 2AC square. Prove that ABC is a right triangle. So similar problem, children, we have done before. Before what did we do? Right isosceles given, we proved that. But now they gave that equation and they asked us to prove right triangle. So it's very easy. Let's start here. Solution given. What is given? Given ABC is an isosceles triangle where AC is equal to BC and AB square is equal to 2AC square given. Okay, what we need to prove here? Prove that. To prove ABC is a right triangle, we need to prove. Okay, so by saying this, what I can say, I know AC is equal to BC and they have given some equation. So let's take first that equation AB square is equal to 2AC square. So from down to up we are going to come. Before problem up to down how we have done. So that same problem down to up we are going to do in this problem. How? AB square is equal to 2AC square. 2AC square is nothing but AC square plus AC square, right? So split this 2. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Okay, so any one AC I will change. I know it is a right triangle, right? So AC is equal to BC. AC equal to BC. Any one set only I am going to change. AB square is equal to AC square, I'll change this. BC square. Since AC is equal to BC. So now what I can say, look here, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This is the statement for your Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, ABC is a right triangle. Sixth problem. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, let's draw an equilateral triangle here. ABC is an equilateral triangle where all sides will be equal. Of side 2A. So what is the side here? 2A, it's in children. So let's mark here 2A. 2A. Okay. So find each of its altitudes. Altitude, what I need to do? I'm going to draw an altitude from A to, let me mark this point D. Okay. What does this altitude is your question. How can you find that? Altitude is perpendicular to the opposite base. So now, how do we start a solution here? Look here carefully. Given ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Okay, next I have done a construction here. Draw a line which is an altitude from A such that BD is equal to half of BC. What is BD, children? Why am I considering BD? In order to prove this, I will take any one right triangle. So, any one triangle only I will take. I don't want complete. So, if I need this triangle, I need the base part, that is BD. If I take this, I need DC. So, you confirm which triangle you are going to take, then you take according to that. BD is nothing but half of BC. What is BC? BC is 2A. 2 cancel. That will be A. What is BD length? BD length is A. Mark here BD length. Now, consider triangle ADB. Consider triangle ADB. So now what I can say here? This one, children, ADB. Apply by Pythagoras theorem. This makes a right angle, right? So apply Pythagoras statement here. What is that? AB square equation. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. See here, children, which side you don't know? You don't know the altitude, right? So change the equation in such a way. I need AD one side. So this as it is, bring this side. Or AD as it is, bring this side. Cut. So now AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. Okay. At a time if you interchange LHS, RHS, LHS, nothing will be changed. So now look here, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. What is AB length? 2A. AB length is 2A. And what is BD? A whole square. Now put brackets here. Here if you won't keep brackets, what happens? 2A square. The square is looking only for A. But the square is for 2 also. 2 2s are 4. A into A square minus A into A is A square. 4A square minus A square will be, that will be 3A square. So look here, AD square. AD square is equal to 3A square. What is AD? Apply, remove square, apply other side, square root. That will be 3 is not a perfect square, so root as it is. But whereas root is square, square and root will be cancelled. That makes you root 3A. AD is equal to root 3A units. What is AD? Altitude. Therefore, altitude AD is equal to root 3A units is your answer. 7th problem. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. Okay, let me stop here. So see the rhombus here. ABCD is a rhombus. How many sides do it have? 4 sides. What are those? AB, BC, CD, DA. Right? So understand here, sum plus sum of the squares means square of that side of the sides of a rhombus. How many sides it have? 4 sides. So look here, to prove. What are all the sides here? AB, BC, CD and DA. So look here, what is your statement? If prove that the sum of the squares, look here how I am writing, sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Where are the diagonals here, children? Diagonals intersect each other at O here. Okay, they are bisecting at O. And what are the diagonals? AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals of a rhombus. Diagonals, okay? So is equal to the sum of the square of the diagonals, AC square plus BD square. This is the line we need to prove. How can I prove this? So in a rhombus, what do we know? All sides are equal, right? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, so now how can I prove this? So look here, proof. Let's start our proof by considering any one right triangle here. So the diagonals bisect each other, right? So it makes 4 equal right triangles. Any one right triangle you take. I'm going to consider this right triangle. Consider right triangle AOB. Okay? By applying Pythagoras formula. What is that formula here? Pythagoras formulae. AB square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. AB is a hypotenuse. AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. What is AO and BO? How can we rewrite AO and BO? So let me write here, children. Where shall we write here? Here. I know that AO is half of the diagonal AC. AO is half of the diagonal AC. And BO is also half of the diagonal BD. So let's substitute these two in above equation. AB square is equal to half of AC whole square plus BO square is half of BD whole square. That will be AC square by 2 2s are 4 plus BD square by 4. Okay, let's do the LCM here. AB square is equal to, do LCM having same denominator. On a single line you can write AC square plus BD square by 4. Cross multiply this 4 that side, it goes to numerator and multiplies. 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Observe the proof again. Okay, right hand side I got, but I didn't get left hand side. 4AB square. Can you split 4 times AB square? Yes. That will be AB square, AB square, AB square and one more time AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now 4 times I have written AB square. In a rhombus all sides are equal, right? According to that statement, what do I write? Here AB equal to BC I will write. Here AB equal to CD and here DA I will write. Let's change first one as it is. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. How did I change this? Since ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus, therefore all sides are equal. So I have changed these three terms. So now look there, that is the thing we need to prove. So finally they asked us to prove, right? Therefore, hence it is proved. With this we are going to end our problem. Very easy, no? So understand the concept carefully. You can take any one right angle, children. You may take this or this or this. But the thing you need to do, AO, you convert into half of AC. BO, half of BD. Like that, if you consider this triangle, OD is equal to half of BD. And if you consider this, OC is equal to half of AC. You change that and you can do. Any triangle you can take. Please don't by heart the problem. And this time the problem, it will be very easy. Okay children, with this we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to continue our exercise. Thank you all.